It was a nice size for me just now.
You gotta breathe, yeah.
Name of this place now again? Shipwreck, but the other side of the pipe, no? Shipwreck. So we had shipwreck, guys. Very beautiful day today. Just at the sand. I'll show you later as I stand up, down, making a trace. We'll see if that catches us anything. But the water is black in the front. Slight drift to the left, to the right, sorry. Westerly wind blowing. Some nice whitewash at the back. Maybe we'll catch a shad, jump in there. Hopefully some Pompanos or that Pompano are coming out here, guys. Right, boss.
Okay.
I'm gonna check you. We'll see you again. God bless you too, man. So it was a nice size for me just now.
You gotta breathe, yeah.
Anyway, let's just wait up with a couple of posts and see what's happening. Stay tuned, guys. That I thought you had a water cruise on long time. A grab sinker. Like there's anything. Oh, come on, sinker. Let's try closer to the wreck. Somebody's definitely wanting to chow. Back up from here. Looks like a bullet, no? Falls down, chup, grab liquor. When you fall at the bottom of the sea. I'm a little bit closer to the wreck. I'm gonna go too far. Just chop it in here. Alright, just there is fine, just there. Just there. Let's see. Let's see if there's Canada. So that's a distance I've walked now. You can see the Mustava angle standing there. Trying my best. Not sure, but I think I felt a little now. I moved to the side of the wreck now, guys. I felt something there, but not anything extravagant or anything strong. But I'm on the side of the wreck now, guys, so I see a whole bunch of crab running here. Come on, what is this? Come on, what is this? We got the shad, guys. We got the shed here. Nicely, man. Nicely. What? I knew there was something there. There we go, guys. Nice shed. Look at him jump, guys. Shed there. Well, that wasn't for nothing. Well, we got some luck here, guys. Perfect, perfect, perfect. So shadow here. So we're jumping in the milky water there, guys. So I think I'm gonna go bait up, come back and see if I can score myself another guy like this. There's a liquor milky spot there. There's a liquor white spot there. It's like a creamy foam. As soon as I threw in there, first bite, there's like a creamy patch there. You wanna move there? Huh? We move it and I run, I'll fetch support and we can offload that side. Huh?
Rolling machine all the
Right across that way, yes.
I thought the bait was out.
Out! Everybody took care. There we go, guys. There's our shed. Hit the hook in the mouth. You can see right here. Right there. Open through. Perfect catch in the jaw. Nice shed, guys. Nice shed. Alright, so at least we caught something. Moved here now, guys. Because seems like might be happening better here. Because look how nice the water look here. Nice and creamy spots just here. So we're gonna try and work it out here. I forgot about the fish. So let's get back into it again, guys. Again. There we go. They're all getting bigger. Come on. Come on. Come on. Another shed, ladies and gentlemen. Oh, what a lively one. What a lively one. There we go. Getting bigger. Nice shed again, guys. There we go. Nice opener. There we go. In the mouth. In the side of the jaw. That's two shed, guys. So always remember, guys, when your spot get dry, change the spot. Don't stand there for too long. chances are there are no fish biting there. So good choice to actually move a bit up the beach. And there we go, guys, 2 shad in the bag so far. Let's see if we can get our bag limit. You know we're always here for a bag limit. Anyways, let me just unhook this fish and let's get it. While the high tide angler is trying to catch his shad or his fish there, let's see what he gets. He came up with a plan to find out what he is biting like this, what he's nibbling like this. So in the meanwhile, I'm never to do this at home. I'm gonna scale this 2 shad quickly and get rid of the fins so that I don't have filthy talk when I get home. It's wave getting. So ladies and gents, that's it for today. Was a good day, not the greatest, but I'm sure next time we should be doing better. Just cleaning out our bucket, cleaning out our equipment before we leave the beach. It is a bit of a hassle to do that when we get home. So guys, our battery died. We finished off with only 2 shad and I'm on my way to get the car now so that we can make our way home, guys. But anyway, to end it off here, guys, my GoPro died. I just want to say thank you to those who are watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel, guys, and thank you for watching High Tide Anglers. Until next time, guys, peace out.